Hello, Think Tank members. During our Think Tank meeting regarding the HCA hospital systems located in New York City, Miami, Phoenix, and Denver, I took careful notes and have put together a video for you to review based on your questions and suggestions. Emotion is a very strong component of persuasion. Businesses and organizations use visual images in order to persuade or to evoke an emotional response from their viewers. It is very important for an organization to get their viewers to remember their cause or their products. Persuasive emotional images and visuals can be one of the most efficient tools available. Carol has asked, why can't we just use the same images that are already being used for all the different locations? All of the image of the medical staff look American enough. Let's take a look at the two images below. The image to the left is the current website image, and the image to the right would be the updated website image. Notice how the updated image encompasses a more diverse and included team of healthcare professionals. Our patients will be more visually attracted to the updated image because of the diversity and being able to familiarize with at least one individual in the image. Daniel states, let's use the images of families in all of the images that scroll through the main website page. That will catch everyone's eye. Everyone has a family somewhere. Based on this statement, using family images can evoke emotional response. The image on the left is a current website image of the waiting room lobby. The updated image on the right-hand side is also a waiting room lobby with a family that looks comfortable. This evokes an emotional response for all of our patients. Caleb states, the pictures we use should all be outdoors and of people having fun. Isn't that what all patients want to see when they visit the medical facility's website? Unfortunately, we all understand that going to a hospital does not include outdoor scenery, nor does it emotionally attract our viewers. Let's take a look at the two images. The current image being utilized on the left. This image shows a woman either overly thinking or in pain. This is a high look of concern on this woman's face. Although this image pertains to the business, the image on the right reflects a better relationship between the patient and doctor. The image also reflects inclusion and diversity, which emotionally ties our viewers to the organization. Heather states, maybe we should think like the potential patient that might visit this website. What would those patients want to see regarding this facility? Let's take a look at the images. The current image being utilized on the left. The patient is obviously in a wheelchair needing medical attention, but he does not seem happy or enthusiastic about his care. The updated image on the right shows a happier patient in a wheelchair with a nurse as well as a physician right by his side to care for his needs. This will evoke emotional response with all of our viewers. Samuel has asked, how can we use images to get people to feel like they will get better or experience a miracle or receive better treatment here at this facility rather than others? Let's take a look at the images. The current website image being utilized is a patient laying in a bed with her husband and her physician. Although this is pertinent to the website, take a look at the image on the right. This shows a patient being released from the facility, which shows that they have been cared for and are able to now go home. He has a smile on his face, and once again, his nurse as well as his physician are by his side to assist him. Although the images originally used on the website were all pertinent to the care that this facility provides, looking at the updated images shows more of an emotional response, diversity, and inclusion for our framing our viewers' perceptions.